Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Lockheed Martin, which is the topic for this video. So, si Lockheed Martin is an investment platform na katulad ni Entelbest if you're familiar with it. And maybe that's the reason kung bakit ka nandito because you are searching for this. Same sila ng platform, yung mga ways of earning nila, and then same din ng may-ari. Alright, so ibig sabihin, legit din to as long as it is still paying. So make sure na i-follow ninyo, i-subscribe ninyo itong aking YouTube channel because I'll be updating you about this everyday hanggang sa probably mawala na. But hopefully, magtagal din ito katulad ni Intelbest kung saan ay marami din yung kumita, maraming pumaldo. No? So, of course, alam naman nating lahat na itong ganitong mga investment platform is paunahan lang. And